Hello, today we're going to see step by step how to create an account on Quotex, an innovative platform for smart investment which has its own interface for trading without the need for external programs. To do this, the first thing you need to do is access the external link in the description, which is also pinned to the first comment of this video. Click there and it will take you to the Quotex website in English. First step, let's click here on register, and in the tab that appears, we will fill the requested information. First, your email address, then your password, and finally the base currency of your account, which in my case I will put as euro because it's my local currency. Then you confirm that you are over 18 years of age and accept the terms and conditions and click register. To use the real account, you first need to make a deposit. Here you can see all the deposit options, which can be made with different cryptocurrencies or electronic payments. In the left sidebar, you can see the different options. In the upper right corner, you can switch to the demo account at any time and test the platform to see if you like it. It's very intuitive and easy to use. As mentioned, in the left sidebar, we have different options, one of which is profile. Ideally, you should complete and verify all the information in your profile if you're going to use this account for the trading. This way, you won't have any limits on making withdrawals or deposits. How do you do it? Fill each field with the personal information requested. First name, last name, and date of birth. Verify your email address, country of residence, and full address. Then click Change Identity and it will be saved. Here, you will see the option to upload certain documents to verify your identity. Basically, it's a photo of the front and back of your ID. Then, they might ask you for a utility bill or bank statement showing your name and address to verify your address. You will receive a verification confirmation in 1 or 2 days. Once that this is done, you can use the account fully and with all the available options. This is basically the process for creating a Quotex account. Remember that you need to make a deposit to start trading. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, please give it a like. You can find more videos in the description, and I will probably make more videos about this platform and how to use it, although it's really very simple. See you in the next video. Remember that you also have the link to subscribe in the description.